On the new Mercedes-Benz 2020 GLE, equipped with the parking assistance package, the vehicle has the ability to park itself. With this feature, you'll press the button here that has the P and the camera on it. When you do, it brings up the image here and the car begins to scan for a parking spot. You want to have a parking space between two vehicles so that the car can recognize the space in between the two. Whether it's parallel or perpendicular, you're going to drive past the space. The car is going to scan. If the car recognizes that it'll fit in the space, then it's going to chime and show you an image here of the space. When you hear the chime, you're going to come to a stop. The car is prompting you to select the space. You do so by clicking the touchpad on the steering wheel. When you do, the car then asks you to put the car into reverse. Into reverse, the car then turns on your turn signal and is now going to control the brake, the gas, changing of the gears, and the steering, and will back you into that parallel parking spot. When the car is done, it chimes and then puts the car into park to let you know that it's finished. Then when you come back out to the vehicle, you can use the same system to pull out of the space. You're going to hit the same button that you did before. When you do it, the system asks if you want to exit the space. You're going to click the touchpad on the steering wheel, and then the car prompts you to put it into gear. This time it's reverse. The car chimes when it wants you to take back over control, and you're now successfully out of the space.